Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley if you're new, and I'm so happy to have you stop by and watch today's video. I am so excited to bring you today's video because I am partnering with Daily Look on this video, and I cannot wait to share with you guys all of the cute stuff that they sent me inside this box in a try-on haul after I unbox it. So thank you to Daily Look for sponsoring today's video. About a week ago, I put up one of my actually the very first try-on video I ever did, and so many of you guys really enjoyed it. So when Daily Look reached out to me, I was like, this is perfect. This will help so many moms who are struggling to find time to shop, who are struggling to know what sizes to get, who are struggling to know like what are in style pieces. So Daily Look has got you covered, and I am so excited because they have graciously given me a coupon code to share with you guys. You can get $10 off your first box from Daily Look using my code, which I'll have go across the screen and also have linked down in the description box for you guys. So you just have to click that link and you will get $10 off of your box. So if you are not familiar with what Daily Look is, they are a premium styling service. A stylist goes through your whole profile, your sizes, your dislikes, your likes. They even take into consideration like your modesty standards, what you want to show, what you don't want to show. I mean, it is very detailed. And a stylist curates a one-of-a-kind box for you. It is shipped directly to you. There is free shipping on all of the things that come from Daily Look, and you are not required to keep everything in the box. So you can try things on in the comfort of your own home, decide if you like it, decide if you like how it looks, or if you can, you know, have a use for it, and you're able to just send everything back to them. You have no obligation to keep anything that is inside your box, which I think is really, really, really cool. You can also set up your box to ship monthly, bi-monthly, or every 3 months if it's just something that you want to treat yourself to kind of do like a wardrobe freshen up. Then you can schedule it so that it is sent to you that way. One thing that is also really, really cool, which I was pretty impressed with, is that you can see a preview of what is inside your box before it's even shipped to you. So if you see something in there that you're like, no way, I will never wear that, they totally missed the mark on that one, you can swap out up to 3 things, I believe, into your box. So that way you're not getting, you know, items that you just know right away won't work for you. So I think that that is pretty cool. So I'm so excited to open up my box that Daily Look sent me and show you guys what's inside, and then I will try it on. And I need your guys' help on letting me know which items you think I should keep from my Daily Look box, because I'm gonna confess, I did take a little peek inside, but I did not try anything on yet, so I don't know how it's going to look. So I pretty much want to keep everything, but you know, I don't think I'm going to, so I'm gonna need your guys' help in the comments. Let me know which items you think I should keep and which I should send back. So right away, how cute is this box? So it's all packaged up really cute, and inside there is a little note that you'll get, a handwritten note from your personal stylist, and they really take time to like type you out specific things and why they chose those things for you, and even some recommendations on what you should pair together. So I think that that's a really awesome touch. So the first thing that I have here is this navy really cute bomber style jacket. It's by the brand Olivia Gray, and it's very lightweight, which is good, and it has this really cute zipper detail on the side, and it's really, really good quality. So I'm excited to try this on. Super cute. The next thing I have is totally my style, and it is a flannel shirt. It is got like blues and light purples and grays. These were some of the colors that I said that I really loved. You can totally say, don't send me anything in the color, whatever, and they won't send it to you. It's by the brand Love Stitch, and I love a good flannel, so I think this one, I really want to keep that. I haven't even tried it on yet though. The next thing that they sent me is this. I won't be able to show how cute this is on camera, like unboxing like this, because it's a long maxi dress, but the sleeves are flowy and beautiful. It's like a wrap dress, and the bottom has this cute crochet detail all around it. This is by the brand Moon River, and it's so flowy and lightweight. I'm going on a cruise, and I think that this dress would be honestly perfect for some of the dinners that, you know, you need to dress up a little bit on. So I think I'm really gonna love this dress. The next thing that is in my box is a thermal plain black shirt by the brand Splendid. Now, Splendid is a brand that I do know of, but like you guys see, like I am very simple. I am very, I don't know, neutral colors. So having like a super good quality, thermal, comfy long sleeve, this shirt is so soft. Black like long sleeve. There's so many things that I could wear this with. So this is something that is like a wardrobe staple that I definitely want to keep. The next thing that's in here is totally not something I would normally buy. And that is what is really cool about this, is like, if you struggle with finding items, or, you know, you can select, I forgot to mention this, you can select on there, like if you want a date night outfit, like they can help you out if you're not naturally style inclined, or if you just always gravitate towards the same thing. Sometimes it's nice for somebody else to choose out something for you that you would never choose on your own. So this is one of those things. This is an off the shoulder black shirt, and it has a really cute ruffle detail at the bottom, and then these sleeves tie. So this is totally a date night shirt. I think that this would be really, really cute with some heels or some boots. It's Olivia Gray is the brand. Yeah, and I don't have anything like this in my closet, so I probably should keep that too. The next thing that I have here is this cardigan. It is a gray or a black cardigan by the brand Dreamers. This thing is so soft. It feels like butter. Yeah, it's just your basic black cardigan, but it is incredibly soft and really good quality, and would definitely cover up the booty, which I like cardigans that go long like that. This thing is so soft. I definitely need to keep that too, I think. And then the last thing they sent me are these Lumiere is the brand, I think. These are kind of like a nice, very thick, not cotton, almost like, I don't even know how to describe this. These are like fancy leggings. Like, they're not cotton, but they're really soft, and the waistband is nice and thick, so that's gonna be really flattering. So I'm excited to try these on, because these are definitely a higher quality item than I would normally buy, and probably really worth it. So gonna try those on. So they always include a packing slip with everything that they sent it on to you, so that way you can see exactly what items are what and what you want to keep and what you may not want to keep. So that is the end of my daily look box. They include the bag with the prepaid shipping label. So shipping the items back that you do not want to keep is super easy, super seamless, really easy to do. So now I'm gonna try on all the stuff, and you guys gotta tell me what I need to keep and what I need to send back. All right, guys, so the first piece I am trying on is that amazingly soft black cardigan that I showed you guys. It has little pockets right here. It is buttery soft and fits perfectly. It also covers up the booty, so it is a nice length. This is in the size medium large and it fits perfect. It is so soft and totally something that I can see wearing again and again this fall and winter season. Even with what I have on, which is totally unexpected, but I love this cardigan. So should I keep this? I feel like I could wear it a lot, and to be quite honest, I do not even have a black cardigan, which is totally surprising because I feel like it's a wardrobe staple. So I'm really thankful that Daily Looks sent me this because I really, really like it. So the next thing that I have on is that Splendid thermal long sleeve t-shirt. I told you guys that this shirt is like a wardrobe staple. I love thermals and this one fits so well. Splendid is a really high quality brand, so it's not gonna lose its shape after a few washes, like as if you were to buy, you know, a lesser quality long sleeve shirt. So I feel like this would just get worn a ton this year. So I really like it. I would wear this with jeans like these and booties, or put a cardigan over it or a scarf. There's just, you know, it's a wardrobe staple, but I really, really love this shirt, and the brand is more high quality than I would normally buy. So I feel like Daily Look, again, did a really good job at sending me something I wouldn't necessarily choose out for myself, but I totally love. I really want to keep this. Let me know. So the next thing that I have on is that little off the shoulder like flutter top that is black. I told you guys when I pulled this out that this would never be something I would choose out, but I really, really love the cut of this. I like how it goes up on the sides. I think it's really flattering and totally cute for date night. If I wouldn't wear it with these jeans, but I would wear it with dark denim and some black boots. And the off the shoulder is very, you know, date night, but also still modest, which is important to me. So I really, again, love this top. What should I do, you guys? Should I keep this? I wouldn't wear it like all the time, but it would be nice to have something like on reserve for my next night out with my hubby. So let me know what you guys think. It is so cute. I didn't tie the other sleeve, but it's a really cute shirt. Guys, so next is that bomber jacket that I showed you. It's a really high quality brand. I think it's Olivia something. Anyways, this jacket is way nicer than any jacket I would normally pick out for myself, and I love it. I feel like this navy color with even just a plain white t-shirt under it, and you know, you could even do like tennis shoes, cute sneakers. I just feel like having bomber jackets like this it's like so versatile and you can wear it so many ways. I really love it too, and it fits like a glove. Like, I'm shocked that everything fits so well because I can't even order everything offline and have it fit. So entering in those measurements really does help when you're online shopping, but it's got such cute detailing and it's amazing quality. So let me know, should I keep the bomber jacket? Ignore the sandal because I wouldn't wear it with these. But should I keep this jacket? Let me know what you guys think. Oh my gosh, do I love this flannel. You guys, I have such a hard time finding flannel shirts that are not too short on my wrist. Like this one goes all the way down, and it's also not super tight across my back. I have a muscular upper body, and so my shoulders sometimes will stretch like the back and it feels tight on me, but if I were to get a bigger size, it like goes out. So the fact that this one fits so good, I'm definitely keeping this. Definitely on the flannel, 100%. I love it. The world needs to know about these black leggings. These are the brand Lumiere, and wow. I've never tried on a high quality legging. I feel like these They're not as tight as like Spanx, but the waistband, you guys, look at how high that comes. They are so slimming, so flattering. I feel like if I just had on boots, and then I even could do just that black cardigan over this, and I mean, there's no see-through, like it's completely black, which I love, and so slimming, like holds everything in. Every mom needs these leggings. Ah! What am I gonna send back? I love it all. I knew I would. These are amazing, and they fit like a glove. These are a size medium, and I always get asked how tall I am. I'm 5'8", so really good length. Love these leggings. When I thought it couldn't get any better, I tried on this dress. I mean, you guys, this is the most comfortable, breathable dress ever. My stylist wrote me a note saying that she thought that this would be perfect for me. It has a little button closure right here, so we're all nice and covered. But like I said, I'm going on the cruise, and you know, you do need to like put on a dress each night. So I just think that these light blue colors would be so pretty. I love the sleeves, that it's like that bell sleeve and not super tight. It's so comfortable, and I think pretty flattering. What do you guys think? Should I keep the dress? Decisions. This is my last piece from my daily look box, and I do not know what I'm going to keep. So I really need your guys' help. Tell me which items you think I should keep. And remember to use the link in the description box if you would like to get a discount off of your first box. I am so impressed with the quality of the items. I literally love every single thing they sent me. I'm so, so happy, and everything fits. Like, I can't even believe that. I don't even have that kind of luck. So I'm super, super impressed, and I think you guys will really love it as a treat to yourself. You deserve it. So use the link down in the description box if you guys want to check out Daily Look, and help me in the comments decide, what do I keep and what do I send back? But I think I definitely need to keep this dress. So I'll see you guys in my next video really soon. Thanks for watching.